Hello besties, hello everyone, welcome back to this beautiful family of Crystal family. Yes, so welcome back to this family where we learn how to start up a business, how we can use our skill to start up a business. In this channel is either you make money with our skill or you save yourself money. So in today's episode I'll be teaching you how to make laundry bar soap with fatty acid distillate or PKO fatty acid distillate. You can call it Pfad, PKO fatty acid distillate. That is the meaning. Is a byproduct of the last product of PKO. After, a lot of people call it palm stearin. Yes, palm stearin. It depending on what you call it, but all I know is a byproduct. Is the last product of PKO. They can just like also in red oil, you have a sludge as a byproduct. The last part of it, that if it is in Igbo language, they used to call it manoncha or manonpacha or anyone. If you're not Igbo, you might not understand it, but those people that is into red oil production, they know all these things. So just like sludge is the byproduct of, as in the last product of red oil, that is how this one is the last product of PKO. It's not usually sweet, it's not usually clear, just like PKO, but you can use it to make candle, you can use it to make hard margarines, you can use it to make soap, and it's kind of cheaper in the this kind of oil is usually dark in color. At some point I decided to bleach it a bit, but I didn't bleach it very well, so that is why it didn't give me white soap. So this is the soap I used to make it. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, please subscribe, like this video and share this video. Please share. Then I'll start by dissolving my caustic soda. Yes, even if you've been following me, you will notice that I've not been dissolving my caustic soda all this while. I used to dissolve it and keep. So whenever I want to make my soap, I will now bring it and use. So in today's edition, I'm going to show you how I dissolve my caustic soda, and you can see that I'm wearing my protective measure. I don't like caustic soda. If you touch your skin, it used to be hot. It's very corrosive. So that's why I don't really like touching caustic soda every time. I prefer dissolving it and put it in a container and keep it there. Anytime I want to make my soap, I'll just scoop it there. So if in our class, I also teach my students how they can do so, and it will be very easy for them. They will not be touching caustic soda every day they want to make soap. They will just, so all you need to do is either you buy half bag, or you buy 1 kg or 2 kg, any kg that you bought. I'll tell you how to, the quantity of water that you're going to use and the amount you're going to scoop for every 1 liter of oil. So the measurement of this caustic soda is 350 grams of caustic soda. So we are going to add it in this we're going to use 1.5 liters of water to dissolve this caustic soda. Yes, so that is what I'm doing. So after you pour your caustic soda, make sure it's still hot. Yes, turn it very well and set it aside to cool off. Yes, like for it to stay like 2-3 hours, it's going to be cool. So after 3 hours, 4 hours after I've dissolved my caustic soda, because I make this soap the same day I dissolve my caustic soda. So in another bowl, I'm going to get my another water to dissolve my calcium carbonate. Yes, I'm going to add my calcium carbonate in this production. So I'm using just calcium carbonate and sulfate. I'm not going to add soda ash, I'm not going to add silicate. What I'm just adding, so it's just calcium, sulfate, caustic soda and my oil. So the lower the quantities of ingredients you're adding, it will make your soap to be profitable, because adding much of it, add this one, add that one, you are reducing the profit you're going to make in this soap production. So we try as much as possible to reduce quantities of ingredients we are going to add, and also maintain standard at the same time. Yes, so the work of sulfate is to give this soap strength, and also calcium to give it weight. And then we have our caustic soda and oil, which we all know that is the main ingredients for this soap production. So I'm going to get my mixing bowl and add my foaming booster in this mixing bowl and add my perfume inside. The reason why I'm adding my perfume is because of perfume has a way of disorganizing soap. It has a way of separating soap, so always try to incorporate it in something else, and you should borrow a leaf from that. While making your soap, try to add your perfume in another thing. Even if it is oil, just add it there. Don't add it straight, because it's going to separate the soap. So I'll add it in my foaming booster in order for me to use it for my production. So after that, after adding it, I'm going to turn everything together. If you want to learn how to make laundry bar soap, if you want to venture into it as a business, as a commercial production, we have a class is going on for it. Yes, we have a class for it. You will register and learn how you can make laundry soap. As a professional, you're going to make a laundry soap that will stand out, that will meet market quality, that will meet
you want to register
quality.
For our
class, you will get my number from the
please don't call me on phone, chat me on WhatsApp.
And this is WhatsApp. Our palm stirring. This is our oil. I've dissolved it. Can you see how dark it is? Yes, so this is our palm stirring, or fatty oil, or Pfad, anyone you call it at all. So this is it. So I'm going to add it in my production and turn it. So while doing this, what you're going to do is to set your mold. I'm going to turn it like you are seeing me doing. I'm going to turn it very well. Yes, and I'm going to tell you something. While I was making this video, my phone fell off and fall down. It didn't. My prayer, my happiness is that it didn't fall inside my soap batter. That was my happiness. I think I made this video day before yesterday. Yes, and I was sharing on my status like, thank God, or see what we go through. Had it been this my phone enter into this soap batter, it would have been another thing. I will start looking for where to get another phone. So at this point, we are going to add our caustic soda, and we also turn it very well. You turn it very, very well. At this particular time, you need to be very, very, very sharp and very, very fast in everything you're doing. Just turn it immediately, right? So then you add your calcium carbonate solution to it and turn it, and everything will come out fine and beautiful.
So now after turning it, everything has come together. Can you see how creamy and how fine everything is? At this particular time, you can pour it in your mold, or you can decide to add double color. I decided to add another color, so I had to pour it in another bowl for me to add color in it. So what I was making is yellow and my original color. You see how fast I was here for me to get what I'm looking for. Do you see how fast I was here? I don't want the soap to cake. At this particular time, you need to be very, very fast in your production. So this is it. So I've mixed everything together, and this is where basic came. Do you see what happened? My phone fell off. I want to show you people, for you to see what we go through. Like, I was literally calling my sister to come and help me. My phone fell off. At a point, I was telling my sister, what if my phone fell inside this soap batter? As I was trying to bring this my mold, and it touched my iPod stand and everything fell off. Like I said, I will not cut this part out. I will show you people. Please, if you've been watching my video and you've not followed me and you've not liked this video, just like this video, share this video, so that Facebook will recommend it to people, because we are going through a lot to make this video. We are going through a lot to make this video. Sometimes I'll be recording and I'll find out that I'm not even recording anything, and I have to go and get those ingredients again and record. This is the kind of things we see in creating content. It's not easy. So support us by liking our videos. And this is the following day after 24 hours, and our soap is ready. So we are selling this our cutter. If you want to get this kind of cutter for you to cut your soap, for you to come out fine and beautiful just like my own, you order for it. Chat me on the WhatsApp number on the screen so that we send it to you. We send it all around the country, all around the nation. Yes, so just call me if you want this cutter. If you want to register for our class, for online tutorial or physical class, chat me on WhatsApp. We'll take it up from there. So I've cut my soap. This is the process of me cutting my soap. This is the first stage of our cutter. Yes, this is our first stage, and after our first stage we'll go to the second stage. So like I've said earlier, if you want to venture into soap making is a very, for me, I love soap making. I love making soap because every day people use soap on a daily basis. So this is our second step. So we want to cut everything to be neat and meet up to market standard. Yes, so we are going to cut it. This kind of business, you can start it from your comfort of your home. It's not must you get everything, get a shop. No, you can start it at the comfort of your home. Yes, the kind of order you'll be getting from this soap, you will not even be, you will need to employ people if care is not taken. Soap is everyday use. A lot of people use soap. Forget about those people that will tell you there is no gain in soap making. There is gain in soap making. If you buy things expensive, you add money in your soap. That is it. That is how business work. Any business is how you buy, is how you will sell. If you buy caustic soda expensive, or you buy your material, that is after making your soap, you calculate it, calculate your transport, calculate your expenses you make, and know how much you sell it. A lot of people sell their soap under price or under sell, which one? Yes. So, and they'll be complaining there is no gain. There is a lot of gain. That is now that there is gain in soap making. So if you want to venture into soap making, just chat me up on WhatsApp so we can start into it. We are also into skincare, hair care formulation. We can also make soap for you and send to you so you can sell. That is factory formulation. You can make and sell and send to you so that you will package and sell. Just contact me on the WhatsApp number so we can discuss the offers that we offer. Yes, so can you see our soap? Please like and share this video. Bye. I love you.